Hello everyone. In our last video we explained how to use advanced filter with multiple criteria. In this video we will continue advanced filter and explain how to copy filtered data into another sheet. Also how to use VBA to auto-dynamic our filter. Let's start and see what we'll do. I add new sheet and I will use advanced filter and copy data to new sheet. This will be our criteria for filter. Select advanced filter, then select copy to another location. Select our data range. Select criteria range. From cell A1 to F2. Copy data to cell A6. All data copied to new sheet as we don't select criteria. Let's filter our data only for 2020. As you see, only sales data for 2020 shown. Now we start to create VBA model to dynamic filter our data regarding to selected criteria. Go to Developer. Then select Record Micro. Rename macro to Filter. Start to do advanced filter. Selecting data range. Selecting criteria range. Copy to cell A6 to cell F6. Now all data copied to sheet. Select Stop Recording. We can insert filter icon from Insert tab. Then Insert icon. Let's resize filter icon. Resize. Changing fill color. Select icon. Then right-click and select Assign Macro. Select Filter Macro. Change year to 2020. Then Filter. Data Dynamize filtered and only 2020 sales filtered. Let's change Select Milan branch. And test our macro. Data filtered and only Milan branch sales shown. Now we'll record another macro to reset filter. From Insert tab select icon. To start record new macro, go to Developer. Select Record Macro. Rename to Reset Filter. Now macro start recording. First clear data in cell A2, E2. Then use advanced filter selecting data range and criteria range as previous. We can now stop recording and assign micro to reset icon. Let's do a drop list for branch, model, and color. Add a new sheet. Rename it to list. Then copy data from datasheet. Then we need to remove duplicates value from Data tab. Then select Remove Duplicates. Now we will create drop list for branch. Select Data Validation. Choose List. From list sheet select our range. Let's do the same for model and color. I select Million branch. Fusion. Color is gray. Then filter. Reset filter. Then I need to filter sales with criteria more than 1 million. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.